Hi friends, welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hip and happening entertainment news. If there's anyone who knows how to confuse the enemy and get people talking and even grow his brand, that's definitely Lasizwe. And he has done it again. Remember that publicity stunt he pulled where he made us believe that he's dating Cedric Fourie, only to find out later that he's actually promoting his reality show? The guy is known to be sarcastic and knows how to get us talking, and recently he shared cozy pictures of him and Vusi on his Twitter account. In the pictures, Vusi is holding Lasizwe, and soon after that, Lasizwe then went to Twitter and tweeted that Vusi is his Bible study friends. Tweeps have been speculating about Vusi sexuality for so many years now. What do you think? Is this just two innocent Bible study friends, or is there more? Please share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. I will definitely see you on my next video. Bye.